And what's a positive thing with your disability? Like, what's a good thing that's happened? You've moved in here?
Yeah.
And you're living with your best friend?
Yep.
You got beautiful carers?
Yep.
You get them to cook and take you out?
Yep.
What else do you like?
Cooking. Dancing.
Line dancing! Such a cutie, aren't you?
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's you. You're such a cutie. Told you, didn't I, Raquel? I said you're about to meet two beautiful cuties.
Yep.
I said, oh, Jackie, she's a cuddler and she's a cutie and loves her. I tell everyone, you love your Barbies and Kens.
Yep.
And high five.
Yeah.
What's this music?
Yeah.
May the angels welcome you.
Yep.
Is that church?
I don't know.
Don't know? You just like those songs?
Yep.
Yeah?
Jackie. Grant Avenue, Boona. And I'm 41.
My name's Antonetta Harris and I've been a carer for over 20 years. She's a Down syndrome with intellectual impairment. We assist her with dressing, personal grooming, showering, helping her with her life skills, daily life skills. Yes, I'm just happy when she smiles to see the achievement, to see how excited she is when she goes out to come home, when she greets us and greets everyone, and yes, it's just lovely.
You like to collect Barbies?
Yep.
How many Barbies do you have here in this house?
20.
And how many do you have at home with Mum and Dad?
102.
Yeah. Now, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
2 and 5.
And you got your CDs?
Yeah.
May angels welcome you. Daniel O'Donnell.
And I like ABBA too.
You love ABBA.
And Spice Girls.
Oh, everyone loves the Spice Girls, don't they?
Yeah.
And you can sing?
Yep. Yep.
So your disability, does it sometimes affect you?
Yep.
How does that affect you?
I don't know.
It makes you nervous and you get shy?
Yep.
And what's a positive thing with your disability? Like, what's a good thing that's happened? You've moved in here?
Yeah.
And you're living with your best friend?
Yep.
You got beautiful carers?
Yep.
You get them to cook and take you out?
Yep.
What else do you like?
Cooking.
Cooking with the carers?
Yep.
What else do you like to do? Do you just go out in the community?
Dancing.
Line dancing! And do you watch movies together here? Do you have movie nights?
Yep.
Yep.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up, 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 so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Yay! Well done!
That was great, thank you so much.
Well done, Jackie!
You did great.
So good, Jack.